Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into this video. So today I'm doing a little bit of a different video. I'm doing my older sister's boyfriend's nails. If you don't know, my older sister's name is Spice and my younger sister's name is Cuticle. So Spice's boyfriend, I'm doing his nails because he said that if I hit 100,000 subscribers, then I could do his nails. And guess what? I hit 100,000 subscribers. So today we're doing his nails. It's not really like anything crazy. I'm just literally painting his nails. So yeah, it's kind of a chill video. I think it's very satisfying though, just painting the nails. So first of all, we're just gonna start off by pushing back the cuticles. We're basically just doing regular nail prep. So anyway, today I just got another drawer from Amazon. You know the IKEA drawers? They're called Alex drawers. I got like one from Amazon. I just got one that looks like the Alex drawers. I got one today and I'm very happy with my purchase because you guys haven't seen, but I have my nail desk and then I have a drawer that's under my nail desk and it's like an Alex drawer and it's like overflowing with so much stuff. It's overflowing with brushes, the nail files. It's literally overflowing with nail decorations. So I'm like, okay, this is too much. I need like another form of storage. So I went on Amazon and I got like a taller Alex drawer. I'm like in the process of putting stuff in there. I need a lot of storage. I have just too much stuff. I really want to do like a nail room tour for you guys. I haven't my room's not really done, you know what I mean? It's my nail room but also like my bedroom. I just have some finishing touches that I want to do before I do like a nail room tour. I'm slowly like getting the stuff I need to not be overflowing with too much stuff. And also I'm continuing my semester. This is the start of the second week and I currently have all A's, so that's good. I've only done the easy assignments, you know, like the introduction assignments, so I have all A's. But yeah, now today I have like an actual assignment to do and I just don't want to do it, you know that feeling. You just don't want to do it and then you wait to the last minute to do it because you don't want to do it. Yeah, that's me right now. It's for my humanities class. I'm taking 20th century, 21st century, something like that, humanities. It's an assignment I just don't want to do. It's okay, like I'll get it done. I'm just hoping that it's not that hard because it's kind of like a writing assignment. So yeah, I'm just hoping it's not that hard because I really just don't want to do anything that hard. I mean, it can't be that hard. We just started, right? So continuing back to the nails, we just, did most of the nail prep. And then now I'm going in with my fine grit sanding band and I'm just removing the shine from the nails. I also think this part is so satisfying. Also, this video is really good for you guys to see more in depth of the nail prep because I just put in like a few clips for the nail prep in my other videos. But in this video, like I left a lot in there. Like this is the nail prep routine that has worked best for me, so that's why I've like I literally do the same thing for every nail prep. I do want to try though a different primer. I want to try Mia's Secret primer. Let me know in the comments if that's a good like primer and dehydrator set, because Young Nails primer is good, but I feel like on my older sister it just doesn't work that well. I don't know why. Yeah, let me know if Mia's Secret primer and dehydrator is good, because I want to try that. So far, posting schedule is back to normal. Posted last Thursday and now I'm posting again today on Monday. I hope this continues. I have another video filmed for Thursday, and I think after Thursday's video is when Valentine's Day nail sets are going to be coming. It's a little bit, I don't think it's that early. I think it's a good place to start because Valentine's Day is on the 14th, and then after the 14th, no one cares about Valentine's Day no more. I think it's better to start a little bit early on the Valentine's Day nails. So that's what I'm going to do. I think starting next Monday, we'll start doing Valentine's Day nails. And yeah, you guys have commented that you wanted Valentine's Day nails, and so do I. Like, I have gotten so much stuff to do for Valentine's Day. I think I have so far like four kits or something that I need to do. There's gonna be a lot of Valentine's Day videos, which I'm very excited. I'm very excited for that. So anyway, on the nails, I'm just adding some Young Nails primer. I always put 2 layers of Young Nails primer, and I'm doing both hands in this video, so that's kind of why it's a little bit longer, because I'm doing both hands and I'm leaving a lot of clips in, because I didn't want this video to be too short. Like, if I really edited this video, it would probably be 5 minutes long, and I didn't want that. So I just kind of wanted like a chill video, really. It's really simple. All I'm doing is painting the nails. So after primer, I'm going in with some base coat, and I'm just putting a layer of base coat on all of the nails, and I'm making sure to get really close to the cuticle area. And then I'm going to cure that in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. I always cure everything for 30 seconds. After the base coat has been cured, I'm just going in with the gel polish. I'm using Modelones Gel Polish today, and I also use Modelones white gel polish as well. So he wanted his nails, well, I kind of suggested it, but I suggested that he do all his nails black, but he wanted his middle finger to be white. This black gel polish is very good. It does need 2 coats. Does anyone else think painting gel polish on is just so satisfying? And that's something that I really like about nails, is that it's just really satisfying. Acrylic is very satisfying. Polygel is satisfying, like, you know, if everything goes smoothly, polygel is very satisfying. And painting nails is just very satisfying too. But I really like nail techs that I really watch mostly honestly do acrylic. I think acrylic application is so satisfying. I've always wanted to do acrylic, but I just can't because of the smell, and it would just literally ruin my room. Yeah, we'll have to put that off, but trust me, I do want to practice acrylic. That would be great. So now I'm just going in with the white gel polish on the middle finger. And when you're working with white anything, white polygel, white gel polish, it's always good to make sure that you do thin layers because white is just such a hard color to cure. I don't know why really. If you can explain it, please let me know in the comments. It's good to do white in thin layers, even with polygels, so that it will cure all the way or else it'll get soft. So always do thin layers with white. And I think black too, but I didn't have a problem with this black. Definitely white is always like an issue with it. So now I'm just going in with the second coat of the colors. I think this is such a nice, like, cute, simple, would this be called a manicure, right? Not a really set, I guess. It would kind of be called a manicure. Alright, so after we're done painting the nails and everything is cured fully, I'm going in with these cute little dragon stickers, except on that sheet of stickers, I use these symbols, and I'm putting those on the middle finger, and that's why we did the middle finger white, so that you could see it, because we couldn't just put that over the black, or you wouldn't be able to see it. And then I went in with these red cute little dragons. These nails are just so cute. I don't know, these nails are cute and simple, and I love them. We went in with the red dragons on the ring fingers. And now I'm just going in with top coat. Like, it's that simple. The stickers can really elevate any like nail design. And I'm making sure to go in with 2 layers of top coat over the stickers, because sometimes the stickers just don't want to stick down fully and they kind of pop up a little bit. So I make sure to go in with 2 layers of top coat to make sure they're like fully encased and stuck to the nail. And then I'm just painting top coat on all the other nails. Alright, and after the top coat is cured, I'm going in with some cuticle oil. These nails are so cute and so simple. So to anyone who doesn't like to use nail tips or polygel even, you can just make some really cute simple nails with just gel polish and some stickers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's something different. It was a chill video. So anyway, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back on Thursday. Trust me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time.